So you found your panel manufacturer and they pull off their first run, everything's going along gloriously. And then you start to scale up, you start to get into need more units per month, and then the wheels come off the bus. For OEM buyers, one inconsistent panel can hold up an entire launch. You could fail an inspection or trigger a recall. That's the problem Infinity Industrial Controls was built to solve. We build OEM panels to scale, and scaling is our standard. So you don't have the slippage that happens when you start doing large amounts of volume. UL 508 certified. Every panel is built, it's documented, and it's labeled at the unit level. Defined quality checkpoints, ERP-driven scheduling, the same standard on 1 unit as 1,000 units. If you've been burned before and you're starting to scale and you're not willing to find out the hard way, we're your panel shop. Infinity Industrial Controls, your OEM partner.